today we're going to teach you how to play one of our most basic beats. And to do so, I'm going to split you guys into two sections. So from the middle to my right, I want y'all to put your right hand over your heart. Okay, leave it there. The other side, I want you guys to put both hands on your lap, and I'll come back to you guys. This side, I want you guys to follow Vita. He's going to play a beat, and I want you guys to just tap that beat on your heart. Just follow him. Together with the Nafa. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This side, I want you guys to follow Tavi. Tavi's going to play a beat, and same thing. This time, you guys are going to tap it on your lap. Follow him. Together with the Nafa. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to put both of these beats together so that you guys can hear the beat that we're trying to play. The only thing is, I only want you to tap your beat when I point at your section. Okay, let's try it. Here, go faster. Right? Hopefully you guys can keep the timing, hear the beat of the Nafa. All right. How about a round of applause for yourselves? Hey, now we're going to bring out the master of the Nafa. Everybody put your hands together. Let's welcome the master, the man,
When I point at you, all right, here we go. Lolo, Tagiwa. Good, no good, no good. Okay, these two sections ready. Here we go. Lolo, Tagitoru. All right, that's better. Malolele, welcome to the kingdom of Tonga. In Tonga, they call me the master of the drum, and our drum behind me, we call it Nafa. Can you say Nafa? Oh, come on, everybody. Everybody say Nafa. All right.